Have you ever heard of proof of history in blockchain? It's a fascinating concept that helps to verify the order of events. Imagine a digital clock that timestamps transactions as they happen. This way, everyone can agree on the sequence without confusion. It's like having a shared diary that everyone can trust. Proof of history enhances security and efficiency in networks. By creating a historical record, it reduces the need for constant verification. This means faster transactions and less energy consumption. In a world where trust is key, proof of history is a game changer. Curious to learn more? Dive into the world of blockchain with me. Ever wonder who invented proof of history? It was created by Anatoly Yakovenko, the founder of Solana. In 2017, he published a groundbreaking white paper. This outlined a cryptographic timekeeping system. His goal? To make blockchain faster and more efficient. Before Solana, he worked at Qualcomm on distributed systems. There he learned about clock synchronization. This experience sparked a realization for him: if blockchains could trust time without consensus, they could move much faster. And that's how proof of history came to life. It became the foundation of Solana's high-speed architecture. Ever wondered how proof of history works? It's a fascinating concept that helps us verify the order of events. Imagine a clock that timestamps every transaction on a blockchain. This way, we can prove when something happened without needing a central authority. Each event is hashed and linked, creating a secure chain of information. It's like a digital fingerprint for every moment in time. This method enhances security and efficiency in blockchain networks. So, next time you hear about proof of history, remember its power in keeping things in order. Proof of history is a game changer in blockchain technology. Imagine a world where every transaction is time-stamped and verified. It's like having a digital notary that ensures everything is in order. Step 1. Every event is recorded in a sequence, creating a reliable timeline. This means no one can tamper with the history without being noticed. Step 2. It enhances security by making it easy to trace back actions. You can see exactly when something happened and who was involved. Final step. This builds trust in decentralized systems like never before. Proof of history is the backbone of efficient and transparent networks. So, are you ready to embrace the future of blockchain? So, let's talk about proof of stake and proof of history. These two concepts are game changers in the blockchain world. Proof of stake lets validators create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold. It's like a lottery where the more you own, the better your chances. Now, proof of history adds a unique timestamp to each transaction. This creates a verifiable order of events, making everything transparent. Together, they enhance security and efficiency in networks like Solana. Imagine faster transactions without sacrificing decentralization. This is the future of blockchain, and it's happening now. Let's dive into the pros and cons of proof of history. First up, the pros. It enhances security by providing a verifiable timeline of events. This means transactions are tamper-proof and trustworthy. Next, it boosts efficiency. With a clear history, processes can be streamlined. Now onto the cons. It can be complex to implement, requiring significant resources. Also, it may lead to centralization if not managed properly. So, what do you think? Is proof of history worth it for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The future of proof of history is looking bright, with innovations on the horizon. It's all about enhancing security and scalability in blockchain technology. As we move forward, competition is heating up in this space. New players are emerging, each with unique approaches to consensus mechanisms. But proof of history stands out with its efficiency and speed. It's not just about being fast, it's about being reliable too. The landscape is evolving, and collaboration may be key to success. We might see partnerships that redefine how we think about blockchain. In this race, adaptability will be crucial for survival. So keep an eye on the future. It's going to be exciting.